Alright, I figured I'd do Holley EFI cold start video. I know there's probably not a whole lot out there. So people planning on doing Holley EFI. This is Terminator with the sniper. And yeah, so I guess this is I got it on a big block, 30 over, running like 10 to 1, 480, all that, whatever. So yeah, my phone says it's minus 13 right now. It's not super cold, but if you can see what this thing says it's at. See here. Well, it says 6. So, I don't know. Maybe a little bit warmer in the shed here, I guess. So, not quite minus 13, but we'll see how she cold starts. Oh, okay. Took a little bit. Oh yeah, so other than battery, cranking it slower, fired right up. And this has not been professionally tuned at all. I've let it do a lot of its self-learn over the about year and a half that it's been built. And I've also, adjusted some of the stuff in the, tuning myself, I guess. I'm no professional at all. Just, what Joe Simpson has on YouTube, just kind of gone off that and dialed it in about as close as I've been able to get it. But yeah, so anyone curious, about how it'll perform in cold, fires up, runs good. So yeah.